Hello, imagine this thing. So, you just got an idea that could change the world, something that $1,000,000 idea, and that is most unique idea that you have ever had, something that no one else can think about. Many of us have experienced this as if we have unlocked a hidden gem. But today, let's take a deeper look at why there is so much hype around the idea than the idea itself. So let me tell you a story. When I was in my college days in my bachelor's, I had this idea and I thought that this was the most unique idea that one can have, and only I am the one that is thinking about it. I totally convinced myself that this is the only thing that is going to be the next big thing in future. But it didn't happen. However, when I came to my master's, I realized that it is not how things work, and how an idea is just a small part of the entire process. While understanding the research process, I discovered that there are a ton of people around the world who are working exactly on the same idea. The most unique idea that you ever think of, there are always hundreds of people working on it. So here's the big lesson, that having an idea is not unlocking a treasure. The real magic happens when you are solving a real life problem. Just forget about the idea and think what the exact problem it can solve. That's the real magic. Now let's dive deeper into this idea. Imagine you are really into something you are super excited about. Let it be coffee. So when you are trying to solve a problem about something that you really love, it is like having a superpower. You become the superhero. Now when you solve a problem related to cafe or coffee, then you are the superhero of it, and you are almost giving an idea that would change it. And guess what? No one would be as passionate about you to solve that problem, because you are actually solving a problem. But here the idea is not as important as that. The thing that is more important is that you are passionate about it. And when you are more passionate about something, you solve for impact. And when you cause that impact, the ideas become grander than that. Now consider this. If you are passionate about helping people, then your ideas may revolve around making something that makes people's life better. It could be a game, it could be an app, it could be anything, but it will revolve around them. Your passion becomes the driving force, turning that ideas into meaningful solutions that can create an impact. So what I'm trying to say is that the hype around the ideas is so worthless, because ideas are nothing. So if, my friend, you think that your ideas will be stolen and someone else will do something about it, then let me tell you something, that only people who have done something on their ideas are the ones who have actually done upon that. The people who execute upon the ideas are the ones who can create an impact. So if you are very sure about your execution, then ideas are nothing. So focus more on solving the problems, and if you are really passionate about that area that you are trying to solve, then no one else can compete with you. So that would be your superpower, and focus more on problems than on ideas. Bye.